Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to combine cells in Google Sheets. In order to combine empty cells, just select them and simply press right here, merge cells. Now as you can see, these cells are combined, but if you want to do it here, your data will be damaged. So in order to not damage your data, you will have to use a different method. So click on the cell next to it and now type equals. Now select the first text data. Now quotation mark, but ampersand before it. So click on ampersand, quotation mark, space, quotation mark, ampersand again, and select the second data. Now here should be ampersand, so type it right here and select the second one. It should look like this. Now press enter. As you can see, it combined your data and you can copy it. So copy and here paste special values only. Now you can delete these two and it's done. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.